Welcome back to another video. Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back in action and it is spooky season. I got a really quick video for you guys this week. I kind of got this idea in my head and I just want to get it out. So we're gonna start off with practice. So these first couple of videos are gonna be kind of practice, but we're still in that spooky season type of vibe. And yeah, I just wanted to paint my baby a couple of times, and that's what we're gonna do with this one. But yeah, short video. I ain't gonna hold you up too much anymore. Let's get right into the video. So I took a really long break from painting, and I think I needed to train a little bit. I've been so busy with art shows and weddings and summertime in it all the way to F up, and I honestly just lost a lot of time and motivation to paint or work on YouTube videos. Funny, I got some time to watch one of Woke's streams while I was painting this, and I told him, I was like, bro, I gotta take a little break, and he was like, yo, take all the time you need, breaks are so important. And I think that was great advice, and making this painting was a lot more fun with this not being forced. I think part of me was a little embarrassed to come back after losing that skateboard challenge so hard. Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't have the results any other way, and I am so lucky to have all of those guys as friends and would do something like that again in a heartbeat in the future. Still though, I'm just a little greedy treasure goblin. I wanted to keep all them shits for myself. I did. I wanted them so bad. Oh man, my dude Noah with that turtle joint was so freaking cool. Either way though, it feels good to be making content again, and I have so much that I want to share with you all. Some of you may be wondering what's going on with that little giveaway that I was doing, the milestone giveaway. Well, stay tuned, because my next video is going to be a follow-up to the Anderson Pack painting, and I'll be announcing the winner on that. I figured it was, I announced the giveaway on the Anderson Pack painting, and we'll go ahead and announce the winner on the follow-up. Oh my God, you guys, I ain't even gonna go into it. Just wait for that video, because it is epic. Wait until you see the cameraman for that video. You guys gonna be like, what the actual? Yeah. So this painting was a little bit of an experiment. A few of my favorite YouTube artist buddies use gouache as a medium, and I've always been kind of curious about it. Jess Karp and Scott Sava are just a couple of my favorites to watch that use it well. I wondered if you could use gouache as an underpainting for oil. I wondered if the oils would reactivate the gouache under. I wondered how long does gouache even take to dry versus acrylics or something that I've used before as an underpainting. And how is using a medium really even at all, because I've never used it before. I thought that maybe I could be onto something, because when I search YouTube, I don't see any videos using the mediums together. Now, I know I'm not the only person to ever try it, but you know what I'm saying, I'm probably the only person to ever try it. Y'all should reward me for my bravery, and I'm gonna give all of y'all the juicy details. I was honestly blown away at how fast gouache dries, for real, it's seconds. This is crazy for someone who uses oils most of the time. I feel like gouache will save me so much time on the underpainting and first layers, oh my God. You'll notice I only use gouache on the face and some of the hair. I did this because one, I'm impatient. I'm just lazy. I was just like, hey, this shit might not even work. But two, I wanted to see how the oil layers looked on top of the gouache versus without. I wanted to see if the gouache had textures that come through as well. To my surprise, I didn't really notice any change in the texture, and honestly, the colors didn't really bleed through the oil either. I almost feel like the oils may have slightly reactivated and mixed in with the paint on some parts, but in a really cool way. My next painting, I am for sure gonna lean into the gouache a lot more. This was such a fun experience, but I think we need to dive back in and collect a little more data. I'm super curious to know if any of you guys have ever like done this before. Have you ever used gouache and then put oil on top? And what were some of the things that you found about it? Please let me know about that stuff in the comments, because yeah, we are in uncharted waters over here, and I'm having the time of my life doing an experiment. And like I said, this painting is a really quick painting. I just wanted to get something out for spooky season, and the next one will be a little more in depth. It'll be a little more of a classic Chuck Lee video where I'm really diving in. But happy spooky season. Let's get it popped off, you guys. This is a fun one. I know my homeboy Christian Blackbean, he's over there having his spooky season time of his life. And spooky season is also special to us over here because this is Katie's birthday month. Her birthday's on the 15th, and that's why I really wanted to do a bunch of like paintings of her for this month. So I'm hoping we can get out 3, but fingers crossed. Let's go ahead and wrap this thing on up.
Can you see me? Hello? Can you find me? Can you find me? I'm here. Behind you, look. Behind you. I'm behind you.
Thank you so much for coming out for another video. This was so much fun. Like I said, this is just the beginning. I think I want to get another one out for the next week, and then I think I want to work on like a big one for the end of it, but we'll see. I don't know how much time. There's so much. This month is going to be jam-packed with videos, you guys. Oh my god. I still got to do the never mind. Peace, love, and I'll catch you in the next time for some more sweet shit.